Welcome to Easy Ops. What if I tell you that you start your business and I will take care of the inventory, shipment, customer queries, returns, and all of the things? Yes, you heard it right, and that's exactly fulfillment by Amazon, which we call FBA is. So if you are someone who is willing to start an e-commerce business, then this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end. So as the name suggests, your inventory is completely fulfilled by Amazon. You send a portion of your inventory to Amazon Fulfillment Center until a customer orders it. And then Amazon picks, packs and ship that product to your customer and take out the complexity of the fulfillment process. So why FBA? What are the benefits? Firstly, your product gets a prime badge. And what is prime badge? Prime badge actually represents fast, free and reliable shipping. If a customer sees a prime badge on the product, the chances are more that they'll buy the product. Secondly, as Amazon is taking care of the shipment and delivery is obviously going to be fast. And thirdly, you don't have to bother with all the customer queries and all of those hassles. Amazon takes care of all of it and you just get paid. So let's learn step-wise how to get started with FBA. So first of all, you need to create an Amazon selling account and log into Seller Center to set up FBA. So after creating your account, you need to list your product to the Amazon catalog and then specify FBA inventory. So in step 3, you need to prepare your products for safe and secure transportation to the Amazon Fulfillment Center. You just have to take care of the Amazon packaging guidelines and routing and shipment requirements. So lastly, you have to create a shipping plan, print Amazon shipment ID labels and then send the products to the Amazon. It's that easy. So you must be thinking about the pricing policy of FBA, right? So Amazon charges 15% of the total product's selling price on each product sold, irrespective of the e-commerce fulfillment method. So you must be thinking about the pricing policy of FBA, right? So Amazon charges 15% on the total product's selling price, irrespective of the e-commerce method used. All of these categories can be used in FBA. All of this process might appear difficult and complex, but is super easy. So what's stopping you from getting started with FBA?
So I'm leaving you with this quote of Warren Buffett. See you in the next video.